Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add page numbers in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to insert and put page numbers in a Google document, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add page numbers in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs on your computer in one of the web browsers. Once you're in Google Docs, open the document where you want to add page numbers or create a new document. This is the document where I am going to insert page numbers at the bottom or top of the page. At the top of the screen, you will see different menu options. Among them, click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. A drop-down menu appears. Scroll down the menu and hover over page numbers. You will see several options on the right side of the menu for where to place the page numbers. Choose either header or footer, depending on where you want the page numbers to appear. If you select this, the page number will appear at the top, and if you select this one, the page number will appear at the bottom of the page. Now, the page numbers will be automatically inserted into your chosen location. If you want to customize further, double-click on the page number and click on Options. Now select the page numbers from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear where you can choose where to add the page number, either on the header or footer. If you don't want to show the page number on the first page, uncheck the Show on First Page box. Now, under the numbering section, you can set the starting number. Lastly, click the Apply button to insert the page numbers based on your chosen settings. By following these simple steps, you can easily add and customize page numbers in your Google Docs document.